Right then, back on the beach. I'm out with the Deus 2 today. Hopefully I'll do better than what I did on the last stint on the beach, but I'm on a different one. I am going to try and go around the coast. We are at low tide now, so the tide is on its turn, and there's like a little harbour just there. So I'd like to do in there. It looks like that gets touristy, but just up here there is a campsite. So there is various different steps leading down onto the beach. So hopefully we will find something other than copper, which is what I found mainly on the last time. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Oh, it's an 87-88 first hole. It's the right numbers for a coin, but it is the Welsh beaches, so it could be a bit of lead, I don't know, or a bit of tin, as I've been finding. That's got to be a pipe, surely. It's still there. Oh, it's out anyway. It's a good sign. Is that it there? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a dog tag. Numbers on both sides, so I can't really show you. But yeah, it's a dog tag. Oh, we've got an 88, 89, quite deep, or small item, but it's coming up as deep. So let's have a look. I've had a ring pull since the dog tag, so big lump of aluminium. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. That's a big bit as well. Oh, there you go. It's not old. It was coming up as an 81, and it's a buckle, probably off of a dog collar. Just to give it a little bit of a clean. Got some leather on it still. So yeah, got yourself a little buckle. Lots of aluminium on this beach as well. Oh, it's a 70, it's not moving at all. It says it's a little bit deep, but we'll see. Oh, it's out. Out straight away. Now, I know what it could be, but it's probably not going to be. So I'm not going to call it. What's that? Not what I thought it was going to be. It's just a popper. Popper from about yeah, or a shotty end. Could be a shotty end. So what have we got? Still in the ground. Bit of copper pipe. Bit of copper pipe. Never mind. Can do something with that. That come up as a good signal. Dug it out. Another bit of copper. Oh, give up. Another big bit of copper. There you go. That was in the hole where my scoop is now. Alright, we've got a 70. It looks like it's possibly going to be a coin this time. Yes, it is. It's a 20p piece. Hooray! It is where the steps are, which lead up to the campsite. So yeah, tough to bits. 20p, better than the other day. And there you go. 87.88. I know what it should be, but it's likely to be aluminium. I expect it should be a coin, to be fair. Oh, not very low, not very deep, rather. So maybe not. Bit of aluminium. There you go. Alright, I think I'm onto my second coin. There's the hole. Bit of green. Possibly a 5p. Could be a... yeah, it is. It's a 5p piece. There you go. Yeah, 5p piece. Not bad. But this could be just a bit of tat. Let's see. Yeah, just a bit of tat. Just a bit of aluminium. Never mind. Just a bit of aluminium. It was an 85. Another bit of aluminium. Grunting away. I know it's a penny or a 2p. It's got to be. It's just the way it's grunting. You know. There you go, penny. Had to be. Grunting as well. Must be one of the newer ones. Yeah, 2000. Oh, there you go. We've got a 70, 71. Just here. I think I can see it. No, maybe not. Yeah, 20p. 20p. Happy with that? So we've got about 46p so far. Just got a penny as well. That was a 9. Come up as a 9. So it must be the grunting of the iron content in there. So yeah, 2010. And there you go. And that was out of there. And actually, they're not all that far away from each other. If I just stand up, so penny there, and a 20p there. Right, it's not. What is that? Just a little bit of copper. Just a bit of copper. Say hello to Dexter and my wife. That looks like we've got another coin, probably another 20p piece. It's got the sides on. Yeah, it's a 20p piece. Oh, there you go, another 20p. Happy days. That come up as a 70, 71. And there's the hole. Oh, I think I've just got another 20p. It's another 70, 71. And it is. It's another 20p piece. I'm going to call this a 20p piece beach. There's the hole. And there it is. I wasn't too sure. That's why I didn't film the whole lot. But there's the end result. 20p.
And take 3.
And you can't really go to the beach without getting a beaver tail. Whack, whack, oops. 65. So 65, 66 would generally be a beaver tail or a 10p piece. Or I should say a ring pull or a 10p piece. It's out, whatever it is. Is it going to be a ring pull or a coin? I think it's going to be a coin. Yeah, it's a coin. It's the same size as a 10p. I don't want to row it too much. It certainly looks like a 10p. Yeah, it's a 10p piece. Oh, there you go. What is it? Is it a ring pull? Yes, of course it is. There you go. One ring pull. Got some fishing weights. A couple of fishing weights. There you go. Oh, it's rattling away. Rust, that's all it's telling me. Rust, rust, rust. So it could actually be a 2p or a 1p. In this instance, I was wrong. What is that? Old padlock. Don't know. Old weight of some sort. I haven't got a clue. Look at that. I haven't got a clue. I'll turn you on. 64, 65 again. 64, 65. Gives us another 10p, I think. Yep, another 10p. 70, 71. It's got to be a 20p. Certainly is. Just seen it. So whoever was building little castles left that behind. Right, 65. So is it going to be a 10p or a bottle cap or ring pull, I should say? Ring pull. It's a ring pull. It's the old-fashioned one. We used to take the beaver tail off and flick them like little frisbees back in the day. And there you go. It's the last hole. It's a 55. Is it a 5p piece? I've had an enjoyable hour and a half, 2 hours down here. It's been nice. I think it's about an hour and a half I've had. Let's have a look. Is it a 5p? It should be. It should be. He says. It should be, but I don't think it is. Oh, gutted. It's a bit of bloody tinfoil. Oh well, that's the last hole. Bit of tinfoil. Never mind. Well, what can I say? An absolute glorious beach. And it produced. Thank you, New Quay in Wales. Much appreciated. Hope you enjoyed that. See you at the next one.